Hi, today I'm going to show you how to draw Pikachu. Now here I'm making a initial sketch or a practice sketch of what I'm going to draw. Alright, so now that's over, let's take the darker outline of this sketch. So first I'm drawing a curve for the head and then extending the ears, then slowly bringing down the right cheek with the red mark. We'll color it later though. And then I'm drawing the left ear with the tip and the left side of the face. It is like the shape of M. And then I'm drawing the cheek. Now the left body. It is slightly in the S shape. And then I'm bringing it to the feet. Slowly, I am drawing the right hand and then the left hand. Make sure it has 5 fingers in it. And take your time in drawing. Now the other feet and the other side of the body. Now I am drawing the small stripes which are going to be brown. And now comes the interesting part, the tail. Make sure that one bend or corner of each fragment of the tail is diagonal to each other. Then draw a small mark. Now let's darken the eyes. So for eyes, just draw circles. Make sure that there are small openings, white openings in the eyes, which is going to be the irises. And then the nose should just be a horizontal oval, nothing fancy. And then the mouth. Now we are going to color this sketch. Alright, let's start off with red. So we are going to put red for the cheeks and the tongue. Okay, the cheeks. I've colored the cheeks here. And then we also have to color the tongue. Now moving on to the next color, brown. So we are going to color the stripes and the small fragment in the tail in brown. I've colored these. They're quite small, so it won't take much time. Now let's keep this aside. Here I have a pink sketch pen and I'm going to use it to color the inner mouth. Okay, I've colored the inner mouth. Now it's time to move on to the next color, which is going to be yellow, if I'm correct. Yes. With the color yellow, we're going to color the whole body. But make sure not to color the ear tips, the eyes, the nose, because they're going to be in black. So make sure not to color them. Now here I've colored the body in yellow and I've left out the other parts, as you can see. Now let's color the left out parts with black. Alright, I've colored the other remaining parts in black. Let's give it an outline. There it is. So I've colored and also given the outline of this Pikachu in black colored sketch pen. Hope you found this interesting and beneficial. Make sure to support my channel. Thank you.